to all my dear students. This is Pranali Academy. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো জৰিয়তে ক্লাছ 6ৰ ৰবিনসন ক্ৰুচোজ lesson 1ৰ এই লেসনটো আজি তোমালোকক ইংৰাজীত ৰিডিং পঢ়াই দিম। তোমালোকে ঘৰতে ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ৰিডিং পঢ়িবলৈ অভ্যাস কৰিবা। এতিয়া আমি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Robinson Crusoe. On the seashore of a lovely island, there stood a man. He was still dizzy as he had just regained his consciousness. He looked very tired and sad. He remembered vaguely how a violent storm had hit their ship and it was wrecked. He thought that he might have been swept away by the wave to that lovely island. This shipwrecked sailor was Robinson Crusoe. Robinson loved to travel on the sea. On 1st September 1659, he, along with some of his friends, began a journey by the sea for trade. But luck did not favor them and their ship was wrecked. Robinson was the only survivor. He started his new life in that island. The wrecked ship was stuck in some rocks about a mile away from the seashore. Robinson made a raft and went to the ship. He brought some useful goods from the ship to the island. Among those, there were a cat and a dog who gave him company in the island. Robinson built a small house and tried to make his life as secure and comfortable as he could. He also tamed goats and cultivated a small plot of land to fulfill his need of food. Time went on. One day, Crusoe was standing near his house on the shore looking at the sea. He was eagerly waiting that a ship would come towards the island, but there was not any. Suddenly, Crusoe saw some savages on the seashore. They were dragging two of their companions as if they were their prisoners. Crusoe wondered, who are they? Who are they? What are they going to do with them? Crusoe hid himself behind a bush and noticed that the savages had killed one of their prisoners while the other escaped. He ran towards the island. Two other men followed him. The poor man reached the place where Crusoe was hiding. Crusoe decided to save the men before the two men could catch him. He knocked them down. The man was so shocked at the sudden happenings that he could not even utter a single word. From that day, the man stayed with Crusoe. After a long time of loneliness, Crusoe at last had a companion. Crusoe named him Friday, as he was rescued on a Friday. Friday became the only companion of Crusoe during his stay in that island. Crusoe taught him the English. Crusoe taught him the English language, and all those things of civilized life. One day, Friday came running to Crusoe. He shouted, "Master, they have come." Crusoe asked him who had come. Friday pointed to the sea. Crusoe saw that a ship with an English flag was coming towards the island. He said to Friday, "Don't go near them. Now, we do not know if they are our friend or enemies." The ship was an English ship. Crusoe convinced the member of the ship to carry him and Friday to England. Crusoe was very excited, and on a fine sunny day, they made the preparation to leave the island. Crusoe took with him a large goat-skinned cap and a large umbrella which he had made himself during his stay in the island. It was 19 November 1686. Crusoe and Friday left the island forever. Robinson Crusoe had lived in the island for 28 years, 2 months and 16 days. What an adventurous life he had in the island for such a long time.